This video will walk through how to use company rate cards on a project. Once assigning that rate card to the project, then your rates are assigned and you don't have to do anything else. You'll see that I've got a project here. I don't have any billable hours on the project yet. I'm going to set the rate card on it first, and then you can see what the rate card effects on the time entries are. So first we'll need to go to our add-ons, make sure we have that rate card ready. We'll go to companies. My internal company in my site is Prestige Worldwide, so I'll go ahead and click in that. If I didn't already have a rate card in there, I can add a new one by clicking on this right here to create a new rate card. I already have one though. You can see I've put my billable rate and my default rate in there. You can also assign these rates to specific resource types, task types, or expense codes. The rates that I have in here, $200, $300. Now all I have to do, so let's go back to that project. Let's edit the project. Want to make sure that the correct company is assigned. And once that's done, then I can select the one and only rate card on that company. Let's go ahead and hit save. Now this project has been associated to that company and the contracted rate card. So if I now add time to this task, call it an even 5. It is billable. I'll hit save. Now you can see those 5 hours. Now I've got those billable hours at a $300 rate. Now if I go back into the task, I can always check what the time on the time tab down here, what these time entries were, actual hours, if they were billable hours, and I can always ensure that the time entries were set down there in that spot. And that's how I can see the billable rate has been set. That's by using the rate card. There are other ways of using rates in Project Insight. You can set the rate on your profile. You can also set the rate on the project level by resource, the burden and bill rate. But in this example, we're just using the company rate card.